Of course, it's one of the biggest and more important present any person or any organization can give me, for sure, in my life, because having one corner in one special track like Jerez, that was the first big track, the first World Championship track that I ride when I was 10. I made my debut also here with 15. So Jerez is has been very special, no? And also I won sometimes here in 250 and MotoGP. So it's a big present from the city of Jerez. Of course, will be special, no? The first lap I will make on Friday. Tomorrow I will pass with my M1 and in this corner, and I will know that this corner is called Jorge Lorenzo. It's impressive, no? But of course, the pressure of racing and all the routine of competition will make me forgive this, I hope. And after some laps, I will forget it, no? But of course, the first lap will be special and impressive for me. Yeah, we all know that we are passing a crisis time, and the last years in Jerez, people was coming less than 5-6 years ago. This is true, but this time with 3 Spanish riders fighting for the MotoGP World title, and with probably more emotional championship that we are living this year, is very can happen that this time we can pass the record of spectators, and will be very important if this happens.